Hi, this is Jackie with WTI. Are you like me and having trouble because you have a beautiful MacBook computer that doesn't have a regular USB outlet on it? I had to search high and low until I found these by Syntech, and I have been so happy with them. So Syntech makes this USB-C to USB adapter. It's so simple to use. I like that it came in a pack of two, so I have one and then I have a spare. You simply attach it right there on the USB-C port, and then you can plug in anything that needs a USB adapter, whether it's a printer, your keyboard, a mouse, something for gaming, disk drives, CD-ROMs, anything extra you can use this for. So it's been really useful for me, and I love that it's small so I can still charge my computer at the same time, which is very important also. So if you are in the market for one of these kinds of adapters, this one by Syntech is stylish, very easily functionable, and I like that it came in a 2-pack. But that's just my point of view.